Bing's chat mode is now on mobile and you can speak to it. Yes, you heard it right. Microsoft evidently hasn't been daunted by the often wild outburst of its AI chatbot Bing and is launching the service on iOS and Android mobile apps today, as well as integrating the bot into Skype and adding voice access. On mobile devices, Bing is now available on Microsoft's Edge mobile browser and dedicated Bing app for those who have been accepted from the waitlist. The bot's functionality is the same as on the web, which is to say that it's somewhat muted as compared to the startling debut of it. Voice control is also fine but a little slow. And Bing's voice is unremarkable, female of course, and vaguely robotic, not as convincing as recent AI voice clones. Since then, Microsoft has tried to rein in Bing's stranger tendencies, limiting the number of replies it can produce and giving users the option to toggle between different tones in its response. Although Microsoft has been criticized by many for rushing the bot's launch, it's clear the company thinks the attention and opportunity to nudge its mobile browser and search engine into mainstream use. The company suggests you might be chatting with a family member about an upcoming vacation, for example, before adding Bing to ask for recommendations on where to go. Thanks for watching. Good luck.